If you want to see how bad things are in law enforcement, ask a cop. Do you base your traffic citation off of the words and attitude of the driver? Watch how many fucking, without skipping a beat, say, of course I do. It's my job to change their behavior. No, it's your job to fucking document the equipment violation or the moving violation, send them to the court, and the court fucking winds up correcting their behavior. Guys, I'm not ragging on fucking cops. In 2014, I went to a use of force instructor class where the first words out of the instructor's mouth is, show of hands. How many of you have ever said, shut the fuck up or you're going to jail? All of us, hands right fucking up. He goes, congratulations, sergeants, lieutenants, patrol. You just violated somebody's First Amendment right. Listen, I'm not ragging on fucking law enforcement. You men and women out there who are doing the job on the street today, you are up against the worst fucking enemies on the planet. This is the worst time in history to be in law enforcement. The media, the government, the people, they all fucking hate you. But we demand your best. You are the warriors who chose this, who swore that oath. You are the fucking only men and women on the planet who can do this job. You are the definition of integrity. You as human beings are the exact examples that we want to be set after. Remember your oath. Honor the Constitution. Honor service. We need you more than ever. This country fucking sucks, and I truly believe that you guys are the root and the foundation of how we can get back on track the right way. Be safe.